Welcome back to my channel where I teach K-pop and global girl group dances. Today I'll be teaching BABYMONSTER hot sauce. This video is slow counts and slow music, so if you want any part to be explained, then I have the other video linked below. As usual, on my right hand and my right leg, I have ribbons wrapped around it just to make this dance easier to learn. And before we start, I actually teach live K-pop dance classes on my YouTube and Twitch channel. The last few weeks I taught Eyelet Do the Dance and Cat's Eye, Gnarly, Gabriella, and Tut. And this week I'll be teaching hot sauce, and I'll also be teaching a Blackpink song. So make sure you subscribe so that you can be notified of when I go live and you can join us for the dance classes every week. So let's get started. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, then I would appreciate if you support my channel in any way that you would like. So that could be leaving a like or a comment or subscribing, or you can also send a super chat or super thanks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.